LEGO Technic Challenge. Today we are going to take a look at this cool new Arctic truck. These vehicles are built to carry heavy cargo to the extreme polar conditions. As you can see, the most special features about this vehicle is that they use crawler trucks instead of normal wheels. And today we are going to find out why. Although the winters here in Denmark are quite cold, they are not as cold as in the Arctic. So we decided to recreate our own little Arctic pole just right here in one of our factories. So today we're going to challenge two models. One custom made with normal wheels and one with our crawler trucks. Which one do you think is going to sink into the snow? So you guessed it, right? The truck with the crawler truck stays on top of the snow while the other one with the normal wheels sinks. But why? Let's go and take a look. The Arctic truck with its 4 separate trucks spreads the weight over a much greater area. In fact, an area over 160 centimeters squares touches the ground. On a snow surface, this makes a whole difference. The trucks give over 25 times more contact with the surface, which prevents it from sinking into the snow. So another way to look at it is if I stand into the snow. With my small feet, I quickly sink in. So what happens if I put these snowshoes on instead? And now with my snowshoes, I stay on top of the snow. Thank you guys, and see you next time for another LEGO Technic Challenge.